guys. So my body camera came in and I bought it for a non-traditional use. I am going to be using this for when I go hiking with the kids. I'm always stopping to take pictures. This way I don't have to. We can just enjoy our time together, and I can just press a button quickly on my chest if I want pictures, or I have it all on video if I want to record it. Just so many options with this camera. I cannot wait to try. It's clip-onable, so I can easily just clip it onto my shirt or pants, depending on the height and angle I want of the video and pictures. But I love that it has the built-in clip, can literally be taken and worn anywhere. It's got a really nice big camera in the center. It comes with the charging cord, Type-C to USB. It's also got a nice rope. If I didn't want to clip it on, I could wear it. And then it's got the extra parts needed. It comes, of course, with a user manual. I have to download the app, or maybe that's a YouTube video. But there should be an app also to use it with. Yep, VLC app. So I'm going to download the app, which I'll then be able to record and have my pictures. So I'm really excited to get to use this. I'm going to try it out and let you know how it goes. Thanks, guys.